Kathak, one of the most beautiful Indian classical dance forms, attracts almost every Indian woman. Learning Kathak is a childhood dream of many Indian women. But sometimes due to family reasons, or sometimes because of other priorities, sometimes due to lack of availability of the right platform, you may not have got a chance to fulfill this dream. Hi, my name is Parul, and it was my childhood desire too to learn Kathak. And somehow, by grace of God, I could pursue it throughout alongside my studies and career. I'm grateful that I got the right teachers and guidance at every step. But my journey to learn was not smooth. I struggled to learn this art form alongside my studies back in school and then alongside my software engineering studies and career. Sometimes there were breaks. Sometimes I used to spend hours in traveling to go to a good teacher. Sometimes I got a very bad scolding of not practicing regularly in the class, and so on. The journey was bumpy, but the passion to learn and the spiritual and emotional growth that I gained by learning Kathak kept me going. Whenever I got a chance, I gave shows. I have taught in schools for school functions or took workshops, choreographed many times for my college fests, and so on and so forth. And then during the COVID era, it just happened that I could build a beautiful online platform, Joyful Kathak Hub, where I am teaching Kathak online to so many women across India and many parts of the globe. There are no compulsions to learn Kathak here. Only your love to learn can drive you. There is a portal which you can learn from any time. You can take reference from there, and there are live classes once a week. There are no strong timelines. You can learn at your pace with convenience. So the entire learning model fits well into your routine. I am very grateful to have received love from so many of you who are already learning through this platform. And I would also like to invite women from all corners to learn Kathak online and have this as an add-on in your life. You will see that it gives you a deep space for yourself. Just an hour of learning a week will give you energy, harmony, joy, and emotional balance. You can comment below this video if you are interested and find the link to the introductory webinar below to get you started. Namaste.